Hi, my name is Susan Yoder. I'm with American Pride Realty, and I'm out here on an amazing piece of land. This is 131 acres. It is located in Craig County, Veneta, Oklahoma, northeast Oklahoma. And what I love about this property is when you come off of Route 66 and you come into this curving, meandering driveway. The land is rolling. It's got great topo. You come up, you curve up the driveway. You've got a 4-bedroom home with a 2-car garage. There is a 40 by 60 shop with a concrete floor, an amazing graveled area with a fire pit. There is a greenhouse for all of your homesteading or growing needs. And then when you go out over the pasture, it's got just a perfect amount of trees, and it's got rolling hills, it's got ponds. There is 3-phase electric a little bit past the back half of the property, so you could actually build a home on here. The property is fully fenced and cross-fenced, and then when you drive your Can-Am through the rest of the pasture, there's trails through the woods, excellent hunting. There's working pens out by the front of the road. You do not want to miss out on this one because this one is not going to last long.